In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add auto captions to your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to make your videos more accessible, boost engagement, and improve watch time, adding captions is one of the easiest and most powerful things you can do. The best part is that Clipchamp has a built-in auto caption feature that can generate subtitles for you in just a few clicks. So if you're ready to save time and make your videos look more professional, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project of your choice. This can be any existing project you've already started or a brand new one. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video is already added to the timeline. Auto captions work by transcribing the audio from the video clip, so you'll need to have your media imported and placed on the timeline before continuing. After your video is on the timeline, look at the top toolbar of the editor. You'll see an option labeled Auto Captions. Go ahead and click on the Auto Caption button. This will open the Caption Settings panel where you can control how your subtitles are generated. Now, before generating the captions, you'll see an option to filter profanity. If your video contains strong language and you'd prefer it to be censored automatically in the captions, simply click the checkbox to enable the profanity filter. This is especially useful if you're creating content for a general audience, educational material, or brand-friendly videos. If you don't need this filter, you can leave the box unchecked. Once you've selected your preference, the next step is to click on Transcribe Media. When you click this button, Clipchamp will begin analyzing the audio in your video. It uses automatic speech recognition to convert your spoken words into text. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to process. After the transcription is complete, your captions will automatically appear on the timeline as a subtitle track. You can now preview your video to see the captions in action. Play through the video and check the accuracy of the text. While auto captions are usually very accurate, it's always a good idea to review them for any small mistakes, especially with names, technical terms, or unique words. If you notice any errors, you can click directly on the caption text in the editor and make changes manually. This gives you full control over the final result. You can also adjust the timing if needed to better match your speech. Taking a few extra minutes to fine-tune your captions can make a big difference in professionalism and clarity. Another great advantage of using auto captions in Clipchamp is accessibility. Captions make your content easier to understand for viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. They also help people who are watching without sound, which is extremely common on social media platforms. On top of that, captions can improve comprehension for viewers who speak different languages or are watching in noisy environments. Once you're happy with your captions, you're ready to export your video. Click on the Export button in the top right corner, choose your preferred resolution, and let Clipchamp render your final video with the captions included. That's it, you've successfully added auto captions to your video using Clipchamp. As you can see, the entire process is quick and beginner-friendly. Just open your project, click Auto Captions, choose whether to filter profanity, hit Transcribe Media, review the text, and export your finished video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this one. I post step-by-step tutorials to help you work smarter and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.